Here from Smith & Lock, we have the REGAL internal door handles. Now these are a lever on backplate style handle, and it's an antique traditional look with an aged finish on the front of them. Finished in a matte black style finish on the backplate and also on the main lever handle. Comes with the fitting kits, which are the black headed screws to go in there to fix it to the door, and the spindle to link the two handles together. A very strong spring on the back of them, which helps the handle return to its natural position. A very solid construction from Smith & Lock, backed up by a 5-year guarantee. For more information and the latest prices, visit screwfix.com.